South Indian Bank, and they plan to raise funds. Poonam Sani is here with all the exclusive details on the quantum and what the money is going to be used for. Poonam.
Well, Aisha, South Indian Bank is again back in very active talk with most of the investment bankers to raise funds to the tune of approximately 400 to 500 crores. This would be via qualified institutional placement or even a private placement, and the investors are likely to be both foreign investors as well as the domestic investors. What our sources say that a lot of interest has been shown by the foreign buyers. However, good interest is again shown by the domestic buyers. But if you just remember, just during February or March of this year, South Indian Bank was again planning to raise funds. However, at that point in time, it was looking to raise funds at a premium of close to 30 rupees. The bank had to defer the plans to raise the funds, because lack of domestic interest to raise funds at that premium, as well as not very good market conditions. Again, the bank is back in the market to raise funds. However, this time the pricing is most likely to be via the SIB pricing, and the pricing is not necessarily at a very high premium. Fundamentally, the bank is very strong in terms of asset quality, in terms of its margins, in terms of its asset growth. It has grown its business for close to 25% CAGR over the last 4 to 5 years. So, good bank, a good capital adequacy ratio, approximately 11% of Tier 1 is the capital so far. So, the capital that the bank would be actually raising, it would be for again to fund its future growth as well as for Basel III norms, which are going to be later on. But as of now, it will be primarily to fund its growth. So again, bank is back in the news to raise funds in very active talks. Board meet is expected in the next approximately 2 weeks.
Yeah.